Hello everyone, my name is Allison and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to talk about DJI and why it's cracking down on US pilots and what it means for drone pilots for 2026. So basically DJI is a Chinese-based company and the FCC does not have enough information to verify that they are not part of the Chinese military, and so therefore they put in that DJI had to be secured, to be audited for national security reasons. And basically if it's not done by December 23rd of 2025, which is, we're less than a month out now, basically if it's not finished, then the FCC will put the DJI on a no cover list, and that means that any new products from DJI are no longer allowed to be sold in the US. I am not 100% sure what this means for old products. I am pretty sure they will still be sold, they just won't be sold through DJI, and I believe Amazon will still sell them, but they only have a limited supply as well. So basically if you do love DJI products, I would stock up now because they most likely won't get grounded for a while. Grounding means that even though you have the drones in your possession and you purchase them legally, they are no longer allowed to fly. This could happen in the future for sure, just because of software updates and the compatibility's not working, and just overall the software not working anymore because it has a bug or something like that. So that is something to look out for. I did a TikTok video talking about two of the closest I don't even know, I wouldn't even call them closest. I guess they're correlated because they're both drones. But there was a Specta Mini, which I've heard is also a DJI brand. Their minis look exactly like DJI's mini, but it's not the same brand apparently. I really didn't do in-depth research, but I would say they are the same research, just different, same company, just different name. Another one was the Sky Rover X1. That one I believe had a Sony camera, so I truthfully do want to try that out. I don't know anything about the obstacle avoidance, but at the end of the day, I still and always will recommend DJI until there's another company that, is just as good as them or better. But truthfully, since day one, DJI has held me. DJI has taken through the trees with me. It's fallen out of trees with me. It's ran into garages. It's literally flown out of the sky. It's been lost for days in the rain, and it has always survived. So I will really just always go with what I know is the best. I will always be honest with you guys about what I think is the best. I really, really hope December 23rd someone audits DJI or whatever that means. I hope someone can make sure that we still continue to get DJI drones, because that new Mavic 4 Pro, I don't think it's new anymore, but it's new to me because I want it and I don't have it. But 100 megapixel Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 4 Pro. It rotates 360 degrees. It looks beautiful. 512 gigabytes in the creators combo. Oh my gosh, literally. Whew, makes me hot just thinking about it. But I mean, DJI is just an insane realm of technology that I really hope America doesn't get it taken away from. So if you guys want to make a change, you can go to Drone Advocacy Alliance. I will leave the link down in my comments, down in the description. But Drone Advocacy Alliance, and go put in your word, do whatever you can, and I think that's all we can do right now. So thank you guys very much. Have a good day.